Okay, everyone. So how many members are ready for Nifty or Bank Nifty market back testing? No, no, no. Okay, no. I agree. No, yes. No, no, no. Okay. Let's start a quick poll. Then we can, let's see. Okay, even I just created a poll. So simply, okay. Okay, everyone. So most of the members are ready to backtest with Euro USD. And next one is a gold. And Aussie USD are very few members already, only 5 members. For Bank Nifty is 12 members and Euro USD for 30 members. So today in this webinar, we are going to Euro USD backtesting, and for the Nifty and Bank Nifty traders, I will make a separate video that how you can backtest and trade on your chart. So no need to worry anything. Okay. All right, everyone. Thank you so much, everyone, to answer this poll. So let's start with Euro USD. All right. So first of all, you have to switch here in a higher time frame, in a lower time frame. So let's start which part you wanna backtest. So let's see. Okay, so which part you wanna backtest, everyone? Let's do random. Okay. Okay. Daily IDM US 30. Random. Okay. All right. So let's do it some randomly part anywhere we can, like anywhere you can do actually. And this is a 10 February. Okay. Last week. For last week, we should switch here. Yeah. This is a last week actually. All right. So this is our Euro USD chart in a higher time frame, in a 15-minute time frame, and right now you can see here market momentum is a in a in a ranging market. I already share trading plan. uh, if you know that if market in a ranging market, then we should uh, trade based on a previous like high and low, right? If market break the previous high or low, okay, if candle closer, okay, then we need a lower time frame confirmation before buy and sell. But if market sweep the previous high or low, then definitely you can buy or sell based on a single candle mitigation, like single candle order block. Okay. So first of all, you have to check here right now what is the momentum right now. At the current price action, momentum is in a ranging, but as per the structure formation, what happening here and what we can expect in upcoming days and this stuff of based on this, right? So look at this structure first of all. This is our previous structures here, higher high and higher low. Why? Because market taken out the inducement is here. Once market taken out the inducement, our higher high is a confirm. And when market break this high and close of it, right? Create break of structure, then our higher low is a confirm here. And this is a lowest point after break this structure. So this point become our break of structure is here. And after break of structure, what happening here? Look at this one. This is our single leg movement. There is a no inducement, right? Because this candle high and low both are protected here. Let me show you exactly at this point. This candle high and low are protected. If market create anything between this candle high and low, those are internal move, right? So market just came back down and then again push upside. So only this point market create higher high is here, right? Because this is our highest point, and after create this higher high, market taken out this inducement right here. Okay, after taking out this inducement, market push again downside. So right now we have a range between this low to this high. If you are creating a structure based on it, so what is this? This is our change of character is here, right? So this change of character is a confirm here or not, right? Market create a change of character is here. Market push downside and candle closer below it. In a first attempt, just sweep the liquidity. When market sweep the liquidity in a measure high or low, right, based on a single candle order block, simply we are playing to buy and sell. Okay, momentum is a bullish, taken out this low, and probably we are looking here for buy because everything looks bullish. But in a next attempt, market just sweep this one, right? Sweep this one, and we are willing to buy here based on a single candle order block, but this candle is not close the above it. So that's why this is a not a valid single candle order block entry. If this candle close the previous candle high, so this become our valid single candle order block right here. Let me show you. I'm sorry. This one. If this candle close the previous candle high, so this become our single candle order block, but market not close of the previous candle high, just came back down and create new low and candle close below it. So this become our chalk. If not close below it and continue going high, so this is a not chalk. This is just liquidity sweep, right? And we are willing to buy here, and our target, the previous major high is there. But in the next attempt, candle close below it, and this pullback is act like our POI price. Sorry, this pullback act like our inducement. And after taking out the inducement, you have to identify where is our POI, when we can buy and sell, right? So right now, after taking this inducement, where is our inducement? After taking out this inducement, where is our pullback? Sorry, order block. This one, right? And we are willing to sell here, okay? Because market taken out this inducement, and after taking out the inducement, probably we are willing to sell because this is our decisional POI right here, okay? And decisional POI means we have a chance of 50% of probability that market can be pushed downside as per your plan. If market failed this one, then definitely we can short term buy till the extreme mitigation, like fail this one, right? Then what you should do in this case, you have to buy here after taking out this inducement, mitigate something here, and continue going higher high, again push upside until the extreme mitigation. So this is a simple and principle for the buy and sell in a counter trend, in a major trend. If market momentum is a bullish and bearish, so how you can deal after fail the decisional PY? Simply you have to wait for it, wait for single candle order block or any lower time frame confirmation here. Then you can definitely sell here and target the previous lows here. If you switch here in a lower time frame, then definitely you will see a lower time frame confirmation before enter here, right? And target the previous low. And after this one, what happened here? Market create this lower low is here because taken out the inducement, came back downside, and again market break this low and break this low, and this become our break of structure is here. And after break of structure, you have to wait for taking out the inducement, and after taking out the inducement, you can confirm the lower low. But where is our lower high? This one, because this is our highest point before this drop and candle close below it. And again, you have to identify where is inducement, this one. So simply, you can simply sell after taking out the inducement based on a single candle order block, right? And second thing is here, after taking out this inducement, you have to identify where is our unmitigated order block. Right now, you can see after taking out this inducement, there is no unmitigated order block. Everything is mitigated here. Look at this picture is here. This one. This is our inducement, and after our bit, there is nothing here. Everything is mitigated here, right? So everything is mitigated here. There is no unmitigated order block. So simply you can deal in this situation two types. First one is inducement sweep, then you can sell. Otherwise, if market create here the previous high sweep, then you can sell here, but you have to always sell based on a single candle order block, right? So after break this one, there is a no sweep here. There is a no single candle order block. Market just trying to push downside, but not create any single candle order block is here. If market sweep the previous high, then definitely you can trade another one is here. Okay. The previous high sweep here, and then how you can shift your structure is here. This high convert here to here because this high broken the previous high. So simply you can shift our lower high is here, and this lower low transfer here to here, and this was also will transfer here to here. Why? Because this high broken the previous high. If not broken, then everything will be continue. Okay. So this structure is a transfer here to here. Okay. Here, how you can deal? You can see this shadow taken out of the liquidity, and this candle act like our PUI right here. Look at this picture is here. This one, okay, because this shadow taken out the liquidity. That's why we are counting this one as our PUI, price of interest, when we can take entry for the buy and sell. Look at this picture is here, right? Next candle mitigate this shadow, and very highly chances in a 1 minute time frame you will see this shadow mitigate something here in a 1 minute time frame, and that's why market push downside. So where is your target? Target is here, right? Okay, and after this one, everything pushing downside, and again you have to apply same principle is here. Right now, what happening here and what we can expect here? We can see market momentum is a bearish. If market break the previous high, this one, okay. If market break this previous high and candle close above it, so this become our chop, okay. If market broken this previous low, this one, so this become our break of structure because everything is a bearish. So in this case, we have to identify first of all where is our inducement. Look at this picture. This is a single leg move is here. So first pullback, where is our first pullback? In this case, everything is a single leg move here. So this one, after taking out this inducement, definitely you can like sell here, probably this one, right? So this is our inducement. After taking out the inducement, definitely we are willing to sell here. If this inducement failed and this PY failed, definitely we can buy, right? So what happening here at this point? Inducement taken out. After taking out the inducement, where is our order block? This one, an extreme point. Yeah. So now you can see, and price taken out the inducement. If market taken out this inducement, definitely we can sell here. Look at this picture here. This one is our first POI is here. Inducement sell taken out, push downside, and this become our single candle order block is here. Right. Sweep here and push downside. When structure sweep, right, then always you need inducement in a lower time frame. I'm talking about lower time frame. When candlestick sweep, then you don't need inducement before the buy and sell. So in this case, structure sweep means inducement sweep. So you need here lower time frame chalk, flip, boss, anything, but with inducement confirmation before buy and sell. Okay. If market create here any inducement and chalk, then you can sell. Otherwise, you don't need to sell here. You have to wait for to mitigate this one, as I mentioned in a trading plan, which I already shared with you on a Discord. If you don't know, simply you can check out our video course section and you will see a trading plan in a bullish, bearish, and sideways market as well as. Okay. So if you was to switch here in a 1 minute time frame, then I will show you exactly. If market create anything, then definitely you can sell here. Otherwise, no need to take entry here. Okay. So right now, what happened here? Look at this picture is here. Market pushing downside, and this is our chalk. And after chalk, where is inducement? In this case, there is no inducement, simply market pushing downside. So at this point, finally market create inducement. And after taking out this inducement, when we can sell here, you have a two PY. First one is here. And second one is here, right? But no, this is not, because the highest candle is here, which is already mitigated here. It means everything is mitigated here. You have only one PY left for the sell. This one, actually this one. Why? Because this is unmitigated shadow is here. This is an unmitigated shadow here because this candle taken out the previous candle high as a liquidity. So simply you can sell here, right? If you are like afraid to sell here, simply you can take additional confirmation based on lower time frame single candle order block, right? Price type here, create a bullish to bearish, and next candle close below it. So simply this become our valid entry for the sell, and this is a valid loss is here, right? This one is our entry here, and putting the stop loss just above it, and at least target the first up low is here when you can switch your stop loss on a break even, and next low is here as a target, right? This is a lowest point is here, right? So this is a probably this is a valid loss is here, and next PY is here to mitigate this one. So what happened here? Look at this picture is here very carefully. You have to check here first of all, where is our 1 minute or refinement order block in this case. First order block is here. And the next order block is here. And the extreme one is here. Okay. Because this is a refinement. When market tap on these places, then you have to wait for chalk and flip before enter. Right. If market not respect any these refinement order block and market create chalk flip, it means those are trap. Okay. 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 In a first attempt, you can see market not respect your refinement order block, just push downside. It means you don't need to take any action here. You have to wait for it. So in the next attempt, market break this one. Okay. And very close on a decisional. This one PY in a refinement order block is here. Okay. So simply you can sell here based on a chalk and flip anti-module is here because market respect your order block, right? So what happened here in this case? You have to identify first of all is a chalk. Where is chalk in this case? Look at this picture is very carefully here. This is important for you. This is a pullback is here. Okay, so always first pullback is a called our chalk. Okay, but what you need additional confirmation here for the sell. Which additional means inducement. You need inducement before the buy and sell. If market not create any inducement, then you don't need to sell here. Market chalk and push upside, and market respect this order block even, right? Okay. So how you can deal in this situation, everyone? Okay. I think chat is a disable. Let me check this one. So this entry is a valid or not, everyone? I'm going to enable this one. This entry is a valid or not, everyone? Not valid. Defined last week. Yes, yes. Valid. No valid. 100% valid. Not valid. Yes, single candle. Not valid. Not valid. If the previous structure is a sweep here, right, then you don't need inducement, as you know. Yes, sir. This is not valid. Sweep candle. Not where you mark the chalk. Is there a valid pullback where you mark the chalk? Yes, sir. This is a valid pullback because this candle taken out of the previous candle low. That's why this is a valid chalk is there. Actually, look at this one. Here, two possible scenarios here. Let me explain here. This is a interesting and very important for you, right? This one is our previous internal high is here, right? If this previous internal high is a broken, right? And just sweep this one. In that case, you don't need inducement, right? But in this case, you can see very rarely market are close of it. right? It means you need an inducement before the sell. That's why, right? If you are saying this is a valid because the previous high is a sweep and you now check, okay, that means you are correct. You are thinking correct. But as per this one structure, this is a not a valid entry for the sell, right? But if market, check, check 15-minute candle. Sir, when price tap on 15-minute means higher time frame PY, right? And you are willing to sell based on a PY or structure sweep, then you need a valid inducement in lower time frame. But if you are switching the structure in a candlestick formation based on single candle order block, then you are switching in a lower time frame, then definitely you can take entry for this sell, right? So based on structure formation, this is a not valid, right? But when you switch here in a 15-minute time frame again to see exactly where this one, look at this one. This one is our based on a single candle order block, right? This one. Okay, this candle is taken out the liquidity and close below it. Next candle close below it and create single candle order block. And this become our valid entry for the sell based on a single candle, not the structure formation. But you can take entry before it close, right, without inducement. Yes, sir, you can take entry here without inducement. Why? Because price type here and you are looking here for sell based on single candle order block, not the structure. If market not create here any single candle order block in a 15-minute time frame, then you need inducement. This is a difference. Okay, if you miss this trade, which is also fine. If you catch this trade, which is also fine. In a both scenario, this is a valid setup for the buy, sorry, for the sell. Okay, again switch here in a 1-minute time frame. This is a 15-minute candle, came back, mitigate, and push downside. And now you have to sell here based on our like a structure formation chop, and there is no inducement pushing downside, and market create another pullback is here, something like this. Push downside, create new structure like this. So where is inducement in this case? Always first one is here. After taking out the inducement, definitely you can sell here. So when we can sell in this situation, simply you can sell here based on a single candle order block, or you can say single candle indication is here. Here, this candle taken out the previous candle, liquidity, push downside, next candle mitigation, and here you can sell. Put the stop loss above it for the safer side, and this is a refinement, but I will suggest you put the stop loss just above it, right? Because just above it there is no unlimited order block or anything. That's why we can take risk here for the sell, and the stop loss and main high is a very rare here. Okay, so this entry become a valid for the sell, and this is a main target. Okay, now come back again in a 15-minute time frame to see exactly what happening here and what we can expect here. Look at this one. This one is the first time. Next, again, market pushed upside, and right now momentum in a ranging market, and this is our internal move, right? So what happened if price come back again and break this high? It means momentum is trying to push up, trying to push upside, and we can see some continuation to the upside. So what we can expect here? We can expect if price broke this high, because this was our first attempt when market tap here. So we can expect market trying to go higher, right? If market continue fall, give reaction here and fall, again push upside. So we are willing to sell again here till this low, right? So what we can expect here? We can expect market must be broke this high, which is already broken. It means we can sell here. So simply you can sell here. Sorry, you can buy here for the short term. And this is our 50% probability for buy. Why? Because we are willing to buy here based on this current momentum, current price action. Okay. Overall structure is a bearish. Okay. So if market create here any uh, PY, any opportunity here for the sell, buy, then we can sell here. Okay. I'm sorry, buy here. If market not create here any opportunity, then you don't need to buy here. You have to continue sell, right? Let's see. Okay. All right. So first of all, you have to mark here where is our PY and Y, and when we can expect here sell. Sorry, buy. So in this case, first of all, you have to mark the first pullback. First pullback means first pullback is always called our inducement, right? So when market taken out the inducement, definitely we are willing to buy. If market taken out the inducement, we can buy, and based on our sorry. After taking out the inducement, we can buy on our PY like this one. This is an unmitigated PY, and just below it, everything is mitigated here, right? So simply you can first PY is here when we can buy here. If market failed, then what you should do in this situation? You have to sell, right? Because just below it, you can see this is our next PY. Okay, so I told you so many times that when market failed the decisional PY, then we can sell till extreme PY mitigation, right? So what happened here? Look at this picture is here. This is our inducement. Okay, let me mark first this one. This one. This is our inducement right here. Technically this one, right? Because this is the first pullback. Push downside, and where is our PY? This one. So you have to wait for it. And this is our decisional. So always you need some additional confirmation, and market tap here and keeps create any single candle order block, then we can buy here. But if market not create here any single candle order block, then you don't need to buy here, because this is a decisional, right? This is a not extreme. If same thing happen here on extreme and market tap here and gives chalk, flip and boss in a lower time frame, then you can definitely buy, because those are extreme, and extreme is a high probability compared to the decisional. On decisional PY, you need higher time frame single candle order block for the additional confirmation. So what happened here? Let's see. Okay, so this low is the broken here, right? So when market broke the previous PY, it means momentum is trying to push downside. So in this situation, how you can deal in this situation? Simply you can sell if market taken out this inducement. Why? Because this high act like a inducement here, right? Like this. And then we can sell till this PY mitigation, right? So this is a possible scenario here for the sell. If market tap on your extreme, then definitely we can buy, right? And remember one more thing. sell is a much high probability compared to the buy. Okay, still, why? Based on structure formation, you can see market momentum is a bearish. Okay, when there is a no bullish confirmation, just we are willing to buy based on additional confirmation based on momentum, because momentum trying to go higher. Okay, tap on supply on extreme supply, but still market trying to push upside. It means momentum trying to go higher, right? That's why you have to think in a both side of probability. So main high probability is a for sell side, and next one is a buy side. When market broke this high, so increase probability for the buy compared to the sell. Okay, so this high act like our inducement, right? So when market taken out the inducement, then definitely we can buy here. Sorry, sell here. So let's see. Okay, and this demand is a broken, right? So in this case, when where is our py, right? After taking out this inducement, where is our py? This one, right? So this py is a mitigate here. Okay, so if market create here anything in a lower time frame, in a 1 minute time frame, then you can take entry. Okay, and where is our target? At least target is here, because this is extreme order block, and this is the entire shadow, I mean entire candle. And why we don't use this shadow? Because this shadow is mitigated by the next candle. That's why we are not using, we are using entire candle, and here proper imbalance is here. Okay, so let's see what happened next here. Okay, and you have to switch here in a 1 minute time frame to see exactly if there is any possible scenario is here. I think this one is a not mitigate here. Let me check here. Yes, sir. This is a not mitigate here. Okay, so that's why this is a not much high probability if market tap here or market create a 15-minute single candle order block is here. So let's see. This one, right? But if market broken the low, then this single candle order block is not work. As you know, price must be still above it to confirm this is a single candle order block, right? So let's see. Oh, this low is a broken, and this one is a sweep. Okay, so this is our extreme py, and this one is our like a previous structure low is a sweep here. So how you can anticipate the next move? You can simply take entry here based on a single candle order block mitigation is here, right? So let's see. Okay, perfect. Pushing upside. Okay, all right. Okay, there is no still entry confirmation here for the buy. Let's see. And one more thing you need to understand here, market structure is a broken here, right? So this become our chalk, because market momentum shift bearish to again bullish, right? This is a chalk, and after chalk you need a inducement before the buy, right? So right now there is no opportunity here for the buy and sell. Market now respect as per our plan. Only two possible entry was here. First one is here, this one, and the next one was here for the sell. Only two possible scenario is here after taking out the inducement, because we play only high probability zone. You don't need to buy and sell everywhere. You have to buy and sell on a specific point on decisional PY and extreme PY, right? So right now there is no inducement are taken out. So you have to wait for it taken out the inducement before continuation. So let's see what happened next after this one. Look at this picture is here. Everything is a bullish here, and you have to wait for it to taken out the inducement. So right now, where is our inducement in this case? Okay, where is our inducement? This one. And this inducement is taken out the liquidity. Okay. And after taking out the inducement, if market create single candle order block, okay, if market taken out the inducement and create single candle order block, then definitely you can take entry for the buy. Okay. And this one is I already said in a trading plan. If you know, in a bullish market and bearish market, in a both scenario, market must be taken out the inducement before the buy or sell, right? So in this case, market taken out the inducement, but sweep the inducement. So if market sweep the inducement, then you can buy based on single candle order block, right? So you have to follow a single candle order block criteria. And remember one thing, this is our 50% of probability for the buy. This is our single candle order block. And if third candle came back downside and mitigate this one, and definitely you can take entry here for the buy, right? You can take entry here for buy and at least target the previous high is here, right? And this is our target. Okay. And actual target was here. The previous high is here, right? So simply you can take entry this one, and if you wish, right, if you wish based on a 1 minute time frame to refine this zone, then definitely you can take entry here based on a 1 minute time frame. Okay. So first of all, you have to refine into 1 minute time frame. Okay. This one, right? So where is our unmitigated zone when you can take entry for the buy? Okay. So first PY is here. And next one on extreme, only 2 PY is here for the buy, right? If you are willing to buy here on a first PY, then you don't need to put the stop loss just below it, right? Because this is a signal. Maybe market came back downside and hit your stop loss. So actual safer stop loss is here. But if you are not willing to stop loss like much higher, so simply you can take additional confirmation before the buy or sell. Simply you can take single candle order block confirmation and then you can buy. Like for example, if price tap here, market create here single candle order block, you can buy here and put the stop loss just below it. And this is a safer side, right? Sometime what happened, market tap here, give reaction and failed, and then tap here and gives reaction and continue go higher. If you are buying here, you stop loss it. If market respect here and create single candle order block, you can buy here. If market not create single candle order block, but you are willing to buy directly here, you can go for it, right? Because the higher time frame is a sweep here and you are putting the stop loss just below it. If market broken this one, it means structure is a change. Okay, your setup is a valid, but your structure is a change. Okay, so if you are buying on decisional PY, then you need additional confirmation for the buy and sell based on single candle order block in a lower time frame as well as, right? So let's see. First entry is a possible here at this point. Okay. And next entry here, if market create a single candle order block, first step here, give reaction, previous candle low sweep, and next candle, if close above it, then definitely you can go for it for buy. Okay. Otherwise, you have to wait for it. Okay. All right. So this candle close above it. So when we can buy here in this case, simply you can buy here on this and this one and put the stop loss just below it. And the target is our main high. First TP is here and final TP is here. Okay. And let's see. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. Market fill your order is here. Right. And why we are taking, please understand, because higher time frame inducement taken out, and this is our 15-minute higher time frame single candle order block. That's why we are not willing to take a lower time frame inducement here, right? So you have to remember this one. Okay. Now switch here in a like 15-minute time frame. If you wish, then you can go for it. Otherwise, you don't need. Okay. Candle closer above it. And if you wish, again, you can add more position here. Because this candle taken out of the liquidity, simply you can go for it. Let's see. Okay, mitigate. Next PUI is here. Put the stop loss just below it. And you don't need to follow the everywhere this rule. This rule applicable here because the higher time frame is a perspective here is a bullish, right? That's why we need that's why we are buying here. Otherwise, you don't need to buy anywhere. Okay, you have to buy on a specific point, a specific zone. Okay, let's see. Okay, all right. Again, you can see this candle low sweep here, create single candle order block, you can buy here. And why we are buying here continue? Because this high is still protected. That's why now this high is broken, then you don't need to buy here based on single candle order block, right? Remember this thing, because this is recent previous high is here. That's why we are buying here, because this high is still protected. If this high is broken, then you don't need to buy based on a single candle order block, right? That's why these 2-3 possible entry here for the buy. Now the previous highs are broken. If market sweep the previous candle low, then you don't need to buy here. Now you have to buy after taking out the inducement to continue go higher. Okay. And now I'm going to switch here in a 15-minute time frame. Okay, perfect. Okay, continue going higher high. All right. Okay. Again, switch here in a 1-minute time frame. And this is happening here. And the previous entry was here. Okay, so these two entry was valid here for the buy. 2, 3, 4 entry is a valid here for buy when market sweep the inducement. And same thing I explain in a your let me show you bullish trading plan. Look at this one. In a bullish, market momentum is a bullish. Boss, look at this one. Read it. If price taken out inducement and sweep, right? Inducement sweep, and then buy based on single candle order block and TP target point swing high. Same thing I have done recently in a backtesting, because similar rule you have to apply. Okay, the inducement sweep in a 15-minute time frame, buy here based on a single candle order block. That's why. Okay, inducement sweep, single candle order block, and buy. And the previous recent high, previous major high is a target. All right. Now I'm going to enable to chat section. As a day trader, I'm using 15 minutes for clear vision. Just take daily 4 hour. If my tap on a time frame in the first place, the chalk, then how? Sir, as a day trader, you don't need so many time frame. You have to stick like 2 time frame. First one is a 15-minute half time frame and 1 minute for entry. But as a reference, you can use daily candlestick, the previous candle high or low, to check the previous day high low broken or not. If broken, then what you should do. So you can check the previous day high or low actually. But is sir in a 15-minute previous candle sweep important or not? Sir, 15-minute candle sweep, it's depend situation, like where the previous candle high or low sweep, like on any PY point or and or any previous swing high or low, that point, then it's important. If sweep randomly anywhere, then those are not necessary. Why you don't consider inducement on? So this one is a inducement sweep and single candle order block mitigation and buy. Single candle order block in a higher time frame, we need inducement in a lower time frame. No, sir. Sir, it's depend. If market sweep the structure or tap on PY, right, and you are buying or selling, then you need like lower time frame inducement. But if market sweep taken out the previous candle high or low, you are willing to buy sell based on candlestick formation, then you don't need inducement. Simply you can buy sell without inducement in a lower time frame. Okay. आपने 17 में डिस्कस किया था कैंडल लिक्विडिटी स्वीप, वो कहाँ कहाँ यूज कर सकते हैं? सर, कैंडल स्टिक लिक्विडिटी स्वीप जब भी कोई हाई या लो प्रीवियस स्वीप लाइक स्वीप होता है, उस पे यूज कर सकते हैं। लाइट फॉर एग्जांपल के लिए लाइक in case for example this one structure like this, okay, and this one is a sweep here, so you can buy here till this high broken, based on previous candle low sweep, and then you can go for it for buy. Okay, like this candle sweep here. So this is the entire candle. You can refine here in a 1 minute time frame possible. You can get entry here for buy. Again, this candle low sweep here. Next candle mitigation, you can go for it for buy. Again, this candle low sweep here. You can buy here again sweep here and buy. But you can see also the previous candle high also sweep. You don't need to sell here. You have to buy here because major is a sweep. That's why. Can you check daily IDM? There's too confusing Euro USD. Okay, let me check. In an inducement, right now you can see. First of all, delete all thing. Break of structure, push downside and upside. This one actually. This one is an inducement actually because this is a pullback upside. Taken out the inducement. Short term, we can see some continuation to the upside possible. Okay. We are eagerly waiting for your next video. Yes, sir. I will upload as soon as possible. Actually, some due to some work, I'm not able to create. I always trying to give deliver a high value content for you. That's why it's take time actually. I don't want to create any videos in a hurry and just create and upload it. No, I want to create some special video for you, which is really helpful for you, for everyone. Yes sir, लॉजिक ट्रेडिंग वालों के लिए भी बिल्कुल. Okay, everyone. So if there is any question, like you can ask me. Now I'm going to finish this webinar and I will upload in a Discord community as soon as possible. How do you select automatic candlestick low with high rectangle? I don't select automatically. I mark manually actually. Can I skip part 17 because I am so confused? Yes, sir. You can, if you wish, then you can, because the same thing I mentioned in a part 15, 16, actually. Part 16, 17, 18 are amazing as usual. Yes, sir. Gold right now is in a random, in a ranging market. Everything like previous day high, low, broken, and you will see so many setups in a 15-minute based on a ranging market. Previous low sweep, previous high sweep. Yeah. Okay, everyone. Did you make backtest with me? Sir, for everyone is not possible to backtest with for everyone. So that's why I do backtesting with all members, which is really helpful. Can I send to you? Yes, sir. When I'm available, definitely I will post them and correct you. And will be more better if you share your chart with me on a Telegram, because most of the time I'm available on a Telegram. Sir, last time you told that you will upload backtest of Bank Nifty. Yes, sir. I will upload Bank Nifty and Nifty like backtesting video in a Discord community. Gold backtest so many times already done. So you can watch the previous webinar in a weekly webinar. Thanks you. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Okay, everyone. Thank you so much, everyone. And I hope you enjoyed this backtesting session and you have learned so many things. And I will upload in a Discord as soon as possible. You can watch later. And with moderators, I will make it. I will host a new webinar with moderators only. Okay, so our next webinar with moderators will be on a Sunday. Okay. So how many moderators are available here? Anyone are available here? Please text. Say hi. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. All right, everyone. So see you tomorrow with moderators. And these moderators will help you to build a community to give answer, quick answer. And I will help for every moderators. Thank you so much, everyone. So this time is fine for you. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a nice day and have a nice, great weekend for you. This time is great. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone.